Welcome to Rancho Penasquitos. I'm Adiana Schwartz with the Schwartz Real Estate Group of Keller Williams Luxury, and I am so excited to present to you 13835 Paseo, Cavera, which is a gorgeous 4-bedroom home that offers Poway Unified School District schools and a fantastic location here in San Diego. Let's take a look. This home has been fully remodeled and beautifully upgraded with designer modern touches throughout. The exterior has been upgraded with newer paint and an updated stone facade. The floor plan offers a nice open entryway and vaulted ceilings in both the formal living and dining rooms, leading to the open concept kitchen. The kitchen has been completely remodeled with modern shaker cabinets, custom backsplash tile, and stainless steel appliances. The family room or flex space adjacent to the kitchen has also been updated with a stone fireplace surround and newer wood laminate flooring throughout. The bathrooms have also been fully remodeled with high-quality materials and custom tile. This home also offers an own solar system and newer dual-pane windows. Relax or entertain in the fully landscaped backyard, complete with an oversized patio area, gas fire pit, large grassy usable lot, and mature fruit trees. Don't miss the opportunity to own this gorgeous home. Contact us for more information or a private tour today.